my 1987 BMW e30 two-door, and I've owned it now for 9 years, so since 2014. This is my first car that I bought with my own money, so I wanted a two-door, and the first one that popped up on the listings was this car. It was on the back burner for the last 6-7 years because I have other priorities with the drift cars, so I didn't have time and money to basically work also on this car, and yeah, since I sell every other car than that, I want to drive it. So as you can see, the engine is out, the entire undercarriage, the control arms, the subframe, everything is out. So I've been working on this for the past month or two, and with help of friends we are on a good path to basically finish it in well, I want it to be finished in the next 1.5 months, so I can drive it in the summer and get on a road trip. So let's start when we begin 1.5 to 2 months ago with still assembled car. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, a deep dive on my e30. So we have here a carbureted 1.6 engine with massive 75 horsepower, and yeah, this needs to go. And the interior is basic as is, so basically none of the options was filled when speccing this car. So we have no AC, no electric windows, no nothing. Yeah. The seats were taken out, so the first I could examine the situation. Here was the welding that was done about, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. Here's another one, and there's another one, and there's another one, and more back there. It was here a bit vandalized when it was sitting outside in the public car park for some bit. So yeah, original 318 IS rear spoiler that is severely damaged, so I cannot use it anymore. The last owner was a farmer and he backed it up into his own tractor, so yeah, I need a new trunk lid, new antenna, and yeah, some of the exterior bits, new front bumper. Rear bumper is okay, but I need to paint it to be paint matched with the body. Interior again, basic. So yeah, the story with this door. About 5 years ago, when this car was staying here in this garage, the window spontaneously cracked. Yeah, and the trunk was repaired as the floor, again about 7 or 8 years ago, maybe 9. That all here was just rust and holes and everything, so we didn't know what we are doing. So I suggested at that time this is a fuel expansion tank. When it's hot, it fumes, and fuel gets hot, and the fumes expand in this expansion tank. That was not inside the car originally, and it will be in a few months. So yeah, we'll be taking this challenge, making this area nicer. So now the first I will do, I'll put it on jack stand and see what's happening underneath, so I can see how much welding will need to be done. And yeah, let's get cracking.